channel. Today I'm going to prepare afang soup with turkey, goat skin, liver, goat's liver, mackerel fish, smoked mackerel fish, stockfish, and goat's meat. So this is my shaki I'm using to prepare my afang soup today. So I decided to pour it hot water with table salt to kill all the germs in it, and I would like to stay for a while before cleaning it. But my next video, I'm going to show you how to clean your shaki. The goat skin I'm using to prepare my afang soup, and this is the goat's liver I'm using. I'll all steam them together with my shaki and my mackerel fish smoked, and the goat's meat and my stockfish. So I'm adding my red bell pepper to my meat. So if you're a pepper lover, please you can add more pepper to it. So I'm adding my spices to the meat. My table salt. So I've added the shaki to my liver. So I'm steaming everything together. I added some chopped onion. So I'm adding my smoked mackerel to my meat. I'm adding my stockfish. So I've added my stockfish to the meat. So in dry pause, I washed my water leaf and put in the pot. No, water leaf contains water, so I want all the water in the water leaf to dry so that when it start boiling, the water will start coming out from the pot. Remember, just wash the water leaf and put inside a dry pot. No water is added. So you notice when it start boiling, you see water coming out from the water leaf, and you allow the water to start coming out. Then all of them will dry up before you add it to your soup. So this is my afang inside my butter. I'm going to start pounding it now because I like pounding my afang before using it. It's also for okazi. So I like pounding it before using it to cook my afang soup. Igbos call it okazi. The Akwa Ibomite, the Australian call it afang. So I want to use it to make my afang soup. So I like pounding my own. Some people prefer grinding their own, but I prefer the pounded one. So watch as I pound. So I'm adding my palm oil. So I've added my meat stock to my soup. If you love palm oil a lot, you can be able to add more palm oil to your soup. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of palm oil because I'm also a palm oil lover. So I'm adding my crayfish. You need enough crayfish for this soup. So I'm adding my okazi or afang to my soup. You allow it to boil for a while when the soup is ready. So you can see the soup is ready for eating. So this is the finished product of my afang soup. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also comment on the comment section. Thank you.